I never came to the beach or stood by the ocean. I never sat by the shore under the sun with my feet in the sand. But you brought me here, and I'm happy that you did. 'Cause now I'm as free as birds catching the wind. I always thought I would sink, so I never swam. I never went boating, don't get how they are floating. And sometimes I get so scared of what I can't understand. But here I am, next to you. The sky is more blue in Malibu. Next to you, in Malibu. Next to you, baby. We watch the sun go down as we're walking. I'd spend the rest of my life standing here talking. You would explain the current as I just smile, hoping that you'll still the same and nothing will change, and it'll be us just for a while. Do we even exist? That's when I make the wish to swim away with our fish. 'Cause it's supposed to be this hard